Hi guys, if you are looking for some fun festive treats to make for Valentine's in a few days, this video has a bunch for you. I am going to share with you 5 different fun, festive Halloween sweet treats or treats. I've made these for my kids, so I will show them all to you. This video is part of a collaboration where everyone is doing Valentine's Day recipes, so make sure you check out, there'll be a playlist in my description box. And also, Melissa and Christy, my really great YouTube friends, are hosting this collaboration, so make sure you check out their channels that I will link in the description box also. So I just love being festive for the holidays, no matter which holiday it is. So let's get these fun Valentine's treats all made up.
So the first I'm going to share with you is these Rolo Ritz crackers, and they are honestly some of the easiest and best little treats I have made in a while. So easy. I use the whole wheat Ritz. They're my favorite, but you can use regular Ritz and then just place one Rolo on top. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to put these in for 5 minutes. Now that they are out, I'm going to put another Ritz cracker right on top and just kind of smash it down a little bit. And these are honestly so delicious. Really, the salty with the chocolatey is so good. I took these to a function and they were such a hit that everybody asked me to bring them again to our next get-together. So they are so easy and huge crowd pleaser. My kids, they got to have one and they really loved them. They were really so good. Does not get any easier than these 2 ingredients. So simple. So my kids also really love peanut butter sandwiches, and for each holiday I've been just cutting out bread with the cookie cutters. So this is a fun treat I am making for them. Love to make little kid-friendly treats that are kind of festive for the holidays. So I'm just using my heart cookie cutter and just going to make some little peanut butter sandwiches. My kids just like peanut butter on their sandwiches. They don't like jelly as well, but that's just them. So making these festive treats. We love celebrating all holidays, no matter what they are. So it's just fun making these little sandwiches in the heart shape to be nice and festive. And another 2 ingredient little treat. I am really into simple snacks, appetizers, meals right now. Definitely the easier the better. We have a super hectic schedule, so I am just really into simple and fun meals and snacks. So these definitely hit the spot and they're super fun. I'm going to make some chocolate covered strawberries because nothing is more Valentine's related than chocolate covered strawberries. Really easy. I'm going to melt these little chocolate wafers in my bowl. I'm going to melt them in the microwave. So they're a little finicky to melt. You don't want to cook it too much. So I cooked it on 50% power and stirred about every 30 seconds. So I'm going to dip these strawberries in, put them on my baking mat lined cookie sheet so that they don't stick, and I'm going to dip all of these strawberries. So good, so easy, just definitely all about Valentine's Day, and these are such a hit. I'm going to let these cool in the refrigerator after they're all dipped. I'm going to let them cool for about an hour, and then I'll store them in an airtight container, but super fun treat for Valentine's Day. I'm going to use some little cutie oranges and some chopped up strawberries, and I'm going to place these on my platter shaped as a heart. So I saw this on Pinterest and I just had to make it because my family loves fruit and these oranges have been really delicious lately. So I wanted to do something fun and festive, and it's very simple, just laying it out on my platter. It didn't really turn out quite as wonderful as the version on Pinterest, but it's still festive and fun, and 2 ingredients, you just honestly can't beat it. And like I said, my kids love fruit, so this is definitely a win-win. I'm going to make some 2-ingredient fudge. 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and this is another crazy easy 2-ingredient treat and just perfect for Valentine's Day, and so easy. So I'm just going to heat it on the stove. I'm just going to keep stirring it until everything's melted, and then I'll put it in my Pyrex, let it chill, and then cut it into little squares. But doesn't get any easier than 2 ingredients. So all of these treats that I made for you today, all so easy, so festive for Valentine's Day. I'm so glad that Christy and Melissa wanted to do a Valentine's Day themed collaboration this month, because it's just really fun to get festive with every holiday that there is. So make sure you check out the playlist in the description box of everyone's Valentine's recipes. They're all going to be so awesome. Make sure you check out Melissa and Christy's channels. I'll link those in the description box, but super fun. This fudge it's seriously delicious. I had more than I should have, and it is just too good, way too easy. I will be making this all the time. Next time I want to add on like some chopped walnuts on top. I think that would be delicious. And maybe some other fun little add-ons, because this is so easy. I will definitely be making it on repeat for sure.